In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients in Monday.com. Whether you're new to this platform or have some experience, I'll walk you through setting up a streamlined process for client management, ensuring efficiency and ease in your workflow. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a login button at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. If it's your first time logging in, you might be prompted to use Google or an email linked to your Monday.com account. Don't worry, this is just a standard procedure to verify your identity and secure your data. For those who have logged in before, you should automatically be directed to your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're in, it's time to tap into the full potential of Monday.com to manage your clients effectively. One of the core elements you'll work with is boards. These boards are versatile tools where you can track client projects, tasks, and communications efficiently. Start by creating a new board. This board can act as a centralized hub for client information, easing the management process. You have the choice to establish a specific board for client management, or if you prefer, you can use an existing project management board and create separate groups or items dedicated to each client. This setup can cater to different needs, especially if you have a diverse client base or projects that span across various categories. Once you've set up your board, add columns to track essential information. You might include client names, contact details, project status, deadlines, and a communication history column. By doing this, you'll have all the critical details at your fingertips, making it easier to provide personalized client service. For organization, divide the client board tasks into groups representing different project stages. For example, you can have categories like onboarding, in progress, and complete. This visual separation not only helps you keep track of each project's life cycle, but also aids in identifying where each client stands in the process, allowing for timely actions and updates. Following these steps should set you up to organize and manage all your clients in one cohesive space, focusing your efforts where they truly matter. This method not only streamlines communication, but also enhances the overall client relationship, making your business interactions more effective and professional. Thanks for tuning in to today's walkthrough on how to manage clients in Monday.com. With the tools and strategies we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to managing your clients effortlessly and effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights to boost your productivity. See you in the next video.